Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can customize invoice settings in QuickBooks Online. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your account, and once you've already logged in, you will just have to go to your settings or this cogwheel right here. So what you will have to do after that is you will select custom form styles, and then you will click new style after that, and then you will click invoice, and then after that you will just have to basically um, choose the design, the colors, and the fonts and the logo that you want. And after all that, you will just have to add uh, custom fields if needed, like the PO number and the department or whatsoever that they ask you. And you could also save the template and select it when creating invoices. So yeah, that's basically just it, and you could follow this as well if you want to. And yeah, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.